I wanna take you to a place not very far from here.
The Johns from Vanderpump Dogs are desperately attempting to extend their 15 minutes of fame. And in an effort to do so, they are going after Teddi Mellencamp and her role in the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills dog drama. During Tuesday's episode of RHOBH, John Sessa called Teddi out for continuing to reveal information about #PuppyDate. John claims this drama is hurting Vanderpump Dogs and insists the foundation never wanted the information about Lucy to get out. "I'm aghast at the fact that Teddi would continue to reveal more information regarding the matter that has become very uncomfortable for our foundation. We never intended for the extent of Lucy's journey or the entirety of what was told to us by the shelter manager to be revealed," Sessa tweeted. Meanwhile, John Blizzard decided to leak some of Teddi's text messages on Twitter. "Because we are in the business of leaking text messages, #TheRealManipulator," Blizzard wrote alongside a screenshot of Teddi's texts. John attempted for the leaked text message to make Teddi look bad. However, Teddi got the last laugh when she shot back, "Thanks for confirming that my brother and Hannah were not a thing when we filmed at Vanderpump Dogs. And obviously when I asked Lisa to interview Hud on camera, my intentions were clear." "Oh, well." Teddi then clarified the timeline of events, telling fans, "We shot at Vanderpump Dogs on Aug. 2nd. I shot with Lisa on Vanderpump Rules about Hud in June, which shows I was being a bit cheeky in my response to John Blizzard." A fan then called Teddi out asking, "When you asked her on camera, you said he needed a job. On the text, you said you were trying to get him on the show. Which is it? Guess Lisa was good enough to ask for a favor." To which Teddi responded, "When you film asking for someone to interview for a job and it's organized through a production company, it's both." Teddi has yet to respond to John Sessa's tweet. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills airs on Tuesdays at 9 p.m. MEST on Bravo.